I'll be showing you pictures about red stuff. Here's a red guard. Let's put it in. This is a red car I can drive through. And a red present with toys inside. And here's a red car. We're in a red crab. 3 red ladybugs. Here's a red sneaker. And here's a red apple I can eat. Do you want to meet my friend Robbie the Robot? Friends, Robbie the Robot's here. I'm so excited. Let's see what's behind Robbie the Robot. It's some red apple. I got an idea. My idea is making some red apple. So first you need some glue so I can stuck on, and you need some paper, and so then you crumple the paper in, then you put glue on, and then you stick it on, and then you do one. So I want to do you can do any much you want. You want to do 5, 10, or any. I'm just doing 4. Okay. And now we need 1. We need 2 more. We need 2 more to make now. And then you need 1 more to make 4. Because 2 plus 2 equals 4. There, and then I got some extra one. I finished of the afternoon, so I stick these ones on. So then you press on it, take a stick on, and you can do it high or low. I'm doing it high. There we go.
Hi everyone, it's Macy. Would you like to hear a poem about an apple? The Big Red Apple. I am a big red apple, way up in a tree, high in the branches where nobody can see. My cheeks are so red, my skin is so white. I know I am juicy, so please take a bite.
Listen, I can hear someone munching on something. Let's open it. Open the side so we can pick inside. It's Butter. Hello, Butter. Butter, what are you doing?
I'm eating through this yummy red capsicum and this yummy red tomato. Delicious. Oh, and here's a red pepper. Oh, I love it. Very spicy. And a red radish. Oh, I'm so full. I need somewhere to rest where it's nice and warm.
Butter makes the cocoon. I don't know what he'll turn into. Kids, can you say it? Bit louder? Yes, it's a butterfly. Where is Butter? I see the cocoon, but where is Butter? Butter turns into a red butterfly. And I hope you have fun today. Bye.